This video I will guide you how you can make your photo in circle in CapCut. So first you need to import your photo from the folder and then click on this plus icon to drag the photo onto the timeline. And after that on the right side you will see that there is a video option, and under the video option you will see that there is a mask tab. You need to click on that mask and click on that add mask, and now you have to pick the circle. Click on circle and now drag it and adjust the size of the photo. You can also use the feather option to drag and make it the edges soften. So you can also use the manual setting of the mask from this option. There is a mask setting, there is a position and rotation, and this is the size. You can also adjust the feather from this sliders. So this is much better. You can see that the photo has been circled in CapCut. Moreover, if you want to change the background of the picture, what you have to do is you need to click on this remove background option. This is the remove background option. Click on that, and here is, you can see that there is a feather option. You can increase or decrease the feather by this slider, and this is the expand. You can use as per your need, and now you can see that the background has been changed to black. When you change the background, the circle will be removed. So how you can enable that? You need to click again on this option, and now photo is again in the circle. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.